Hello and welcome to the WolfVision booth at the InfoComm show 2026, where we have our traditional setup, our evidence presentation system, so to say, set up. And it all starts with a very intuitive interface that can be connected to two live monitors or just to prepare contents here in our prepare area and make them visible as soon as we need it. At this point, we have our document camera connected and showing evidence on this confidence monitor. And as soon as we want to share it out, for example, with a preview monitor or a public monitor, we can just hit a share to all button and our AV over IP system will directly push it to up to 40 stations. That also allows to annotate together on this contents or to send different contents to different stations, as well as grab contents back to this confidence monitor and have an easy exchange and collaboration therefore. If you want to have more information, please visit us on our website wolfvision.com or visit us at our booth at the InfoComm show 2026.